Welcome to our video, where we'll be sharing 15 tips to help you fall asleep faster and sleep better. If you've been struggling with insomnia, or just having trouble winding down at night, this video is for you. So let's get started. Firstly, sticking to a regular sleep schedule is essential for promoting healthy sleep habits. Our bodies have an internal clock that regulates our sleep-wake cycle. And going to bed and waking up at the same time every day helps keep this clock in sync. By establishing a consistent sleep routine, we train our bodies to recognize when it's time to sleep and when it's time to wake up, making it easier to fall asleep at night. This means that even on weekends or days off, it's important to maintain your regular sleep schedule to avoid disrupting your body's natural rhythm and ensuring you feel well-rested and refreshed each day. Second, avoiding caffeine and nicotine close to bedtime is important for promoting healthy sleep habits. Both caffeine and nicotine are stimulants that can interfere with the body's ability to fall asleep and stay asleep. Caffeine has a half-life of up to 6 hours, meaning that it can take a significant amount of time for the body to metabolize it and clear it from the system. Similarly, nicotine is a stimulant that can increase heart rate and blood pressure, making it harder to relax and fall asleep. To ensure a good night's rest, it's best to avoid caffeine and nicotine in the hours leading up to bedtime, or cut them out entirely if possible. Third, creating a comfortable sleep environment is crucial for promoting healthy sleep habits, and keeping your bedroom cool, dark, and quiet is essential. A cooler temperature can help your body regulate its natural sleep cycle and prevent you from overheating, which can be disruptive to sleep. Similarly, a dark and quiet environment can help reduce distractions and allow you to fall asleep more easily. If noise is an issue, consider using earplugs or a white noise machine to mask sounds that might disturb your sleep. By creating a comfortable and conducive sleep environment, you can promote better sleep quality and wake up feeling more refreshed and energized. Fourth, limiting screen time before bed is important for promoting healthy sleep habits. The blue light emitted by electronic devices such as smartphones, tablets, and laptops can disrupt the body's natural sleep-wake cycle by suppressing the production of the sleep hormone melatonin. This can make it harder to fall asleep and stay asleep, leading to decreased sleep quality and daytime fatigue. To improve your sleep, it's best to avoid using electronic devices in bed or at least limit their use in the hours leading up to bedtime. If you must use electronic devices, consider using blue light filters or apps that can reduce the amount of blue light emitted by the screen. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. By subscribing to our channel, you'll also be supporting us in our mission to create high-quality content that can help you improve your life and well-being. In addition, keep watching the video until the end, as you won't want to miss out on the other great tips on falling asleep faster. Fifth, avoiding heavy meals and alcohol close to bedtime is crucial for promoting healthy sleep habits. Heavy meals can be hard to digest and can cause discomfort, which can interfere with the ability to fall asleep and stay asleep. Similarly, alcohol can be sedating, but it can disrupt the body's natural sleep cycle by causing more frequent awakenings and reduced sleep quality. While a light snack before bed can be helpful, it's best to avoid large or spicy meals and alcohol in the hours leading up to bedtime. By doing so, you can promote better sleep quality and wake up feeling more refreshed and energized. Sixth, practicing relaxation techniques before bed can be an effective way to promote healthy sleep habits. Techniques such as deep breathing, meditation, or progressive muscle relaxation can help to calm the mind and body, reducing feelings of stress and anxiety that can interfere with sleep. By practicing these techniques regularly, you can train your body to relax and unwind, making it easier to fall asleep and stay asleep. Additionally, some people find that using guided meditations or mindfulness apps can be helpful in guiding their relaxation practice. By incorporating relaxation techniques into your bedtime routine, you can promote better sleep quality and wake up feeling more refreshed and energized. Seventh, using a comfortable mattress and pillows is crucial for promoting healthy sleep habits. A mattress that is too firm or too soft can cause discomfort, leading to tossing and turning and disrupted sleep. Similarly, using the wrong pillow can cause neck and back pain, which can make it hard to fall asleep and stay asleep. To promote healthy sleep habits, it's important to invest in a mattress and pillows that provide adequate support and are comfortable for your individual needs. By doing so, you can promote better sleep quality and wake up feeling more refreshed and energized. 8th, aromatherapy is the use of scents to promote relaxation and improve sleep quality. Essential oils such as lavender, chamomile, and valerian root are commonly used for this purpose. These scents can be inhaled or applied topically to promote relaxation and reduce feelings of stress and anxiety. While the evidence supporting the efficacy of aromatherapy is limited, some studies have found that certain essential oils can be helpful for promoting relaxation and improving sleep quality. By incorporating aromatherapy into your bedtime routine, you can create a relaxing and calming atmosphere that can help you fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer. 9th, taking a warm shower or bath before bed can be an effective way to promote healthy sleep habits. The warm water can help to relax the muscles and promote feelings of sleepiness, making it easier to fall asleep. Additionally, the change in body temperature that occurs when you get out of the shower or bath can help to trigger the body's natural sleep response. By incorporating a warm shower or bath into your bedtime routine, you can create a relaxing and calming atmosphere that can help you fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer. 10th, weighted blankets are a type of blanket that contains small, evenly distributed weights, typically made of plastic pellets or glass beads. These blankets are designed to provide a feeling of deep pressure stimulation, which can help to reduce anxiety and promote feelings of calmness. Research has shown that using a weighted blanket can help to reduce the time it takes to fall asleep, as well as improve sleep quality. By applying gentle, even pressure to the body, these blankets can also help to reduce restless movements during sleep. For those who struggle with anxiety or restlessness at bedtime, using a weighted blanket can be a helpful addition to their bedtime routine. 11th, while napping can be a great way to recharge during the day, it can also interfere with your ability to fall asleep at night. Taking long naps or napping late in the day can make it harder to feel sleepy at bedtime, leading to difficulty falling asleep or staying asleep. To promote healthy sleep habits, it's best to avoid napping during the day, or limit naps to 20 to 30 minutes in the early afternoon. By avoiding excessive napping, you can ensure that you're sleepy enough to fall asleep quickly and stay asleep throughout the night. 12th, wearing a sleep mask can be a helpful way to block out light and promote better sleep. Light exposure can interfere with the body's natural sleep-wake cycle, making it harder to fall asleep and stay asleep. By wearing a sleep mask, you can create a dark environment that promotes feelings of sleepiness and makes it easier to fall asleep. Sleep masks are particularly helpful for those who are sensitive to light, or who live in areas with high levels of light pollution. By incorporating a sleep mask into your bedtime routine, you can create a dark and calming environment that promotes healthy sleep habits. 13th, exposure to sunlight during the day is an important factor in regulating the body's natural sleep-wake cycle. Sunlight helps to signal the brain that it's time to be awake and alert, which can help you feel more energized and alert during the day. By getting outside and exposing yourself to natural sunlight for at least 30 minutes each day, you can help to regulate your sleep-wake cycle and improve the quality of your sleep. Additionally, exposure to natural sunlight can also help to boost mood and increase feelings of well-being, making it an important component of a healthy sleep routine. 14th, if you are having persistent trouble falling asleep, seeking medical advice can be an important step in improving your sleep quality. A medical professional can help to identify any underlying conditions or issues that may be interfering with your ability to fall asleep, such as sleep apnea or restless leg syndrome. They can also offer advice on lifestyle changes or relaxation techniques that can help to promote better sleep. In some cases, medication or other treatments may be recommended to help manage sleep difficulties. By seeking medical advice, you can ensure that you're taking the appropriate steps to improve your sleep quality and overall health. Finally, worrying about falling asleep can make it even harder to fall asleep. It's important to remember that falling asleep is a natural process that requires relaxation and a calm mind. If you find yourself feeling anxious or stressed about falling asleep, It can be helpful to engage in relaxing activities before bedtime, such as reading a book, taking a warm bath, or listening to soothing music. You can also practice mindfulness or meditation techniques to help calm your mind and promote relaxation. By letting go of any anxiety or stress you may be feeling and focusing on relaxation, you can help to promote healthy sleep habits and improve the quality of your sleep. If you enjoyed watching, check out our other videos on sleep, and don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell for instant notification of new videos. Thank you for watching.